What's up everybody, my name is CJ with Aspect LED, and today we're going to be talking about our brand new adjustable white ultra thin recessed lights. Let's jump right into it. At under 1 inch thick, our new adjustable white ultra thins are bright, energy efficient, and attractively styled, making them suited for a multitude of residential and commercial applications. Because of their ultra thin construction, our recessed lights fit into areas that normal recessed lights can't fit into, such as areas with tight ductwork or even tighter soffits. With these ultra thins, we now give you the option to adjust the color temperature of your light before you install it. Simply use the integrated switch on the LED driver before you install it to switch between 5 different color temperatures, including 2700K, 3000K, 3500K, 4000K, and 5000K. Here's a pro tip. With the new packaging that we include with these new ultra thins, make sure to use the integrated slip that we have included in the box to use as a cutout hole measurement before you end up cutting the hole in your ceiling. This ensures that you have an accurate cutout hole size before you install your ultra thins. Let's move on to the size, shape, and color options that we have for these lights. We have 2 different shapes, square and round. With the round option, we have 4 possible sizes, including 3.25, 4.75, 6.5, and 8.75. If you want the most popular sizes of the ultra thins in black, we provide the black options in 4.75 and 6.5. For the square options of these lights, we also provide them in white, and we have them in 4.75 and 6.5. If you want even more flexibility during your installation process, we offer extension cables that you can buy separately along with these lights. They come in 2, 5, 10, 25, and 50 feet. Thank you so much for watching. We hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions, feel free to reach out to our LED experts at aspectled.com and check out our pricing and all the information and accessories that come with these lights. My name's CJ with Aspect LED. Make sure to light up that subscribe button.